Okay guys, welcome back to Schofield Welding. In this episode, what we're gonna wind up doing is I'm gonna make some phone calls. I'm gonna wind up calling some of the past contractors that we've done work with. Names will be bleeped out, companies will be bleeped out. That's not really anybody's concern. What it is that I'm doing right now is just keeping the relationship going. It's just like a marriage. If you don't put a full effort into it and reaching out and just talking to them and seeing how life's going and whatever else. I mean, you don't have to be on the phone for more than 2 minutes, but at least they know you care. Too many people think of business as what can I get from the other person? What can I take from them, right? No, business is a shared thing. My approach to business is what can I do to help you? What can I do to build your company up and make you better? The main subcontractor underneath a prime contractor, the general, whatever. If you're that guy and I'm underneath you, how do I make you look better? How do I make you shine? That's how business should work, because then at that point, it's like, Jake's awesome. His crews are awesome. They come in, they do the work. We look great. We have very little headache. The way the contractor, the prime contractor sees it, he's like, dude, these guys freaking blew it out of the water. You probably don't even realize that we were underneath them freaking making them shine. And so that's how business should work. You should be sitting there trying to build the next guy up. So what I'm going to wind up doing right now is I'm going to make a couple phone calls. Names, things like that will be blurred out. We're just going to talk and see how everything's going, and, you know, maybe not even talk about work. Who knows? Just see how everybody's doing.
918.
Voicemails, that's all right. Everybody's busy.
4,
Leave a
5,
voicemail every time.
4 is not available. The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time.
Unless they do
Goodbye.
that. So I'll shoot him a text. Anyways, guys, that's kind of today's episode. Just reaching out, making sure that people know who you are, and then just following up. Everybody be blessed. We'll talk to you here in a bit. See ya.